Hello students. In the previous practical, we have seen embed platform. In this practical, we are going to perform one experiment which is based on the LED. Okay. So for that, I have first connected the LPC 1768 board to the PC using the cable USB cable. Okay, and you can see that if I check it in the if I check it on the PC, what I am getting is, just a minute, yeah, here you can see that this is where you are having the embed board connected to the PC. Okay, so this name is given embed. So if you are getting it correctly connected there, then you are getting it as H drive named as embed. Okay, now we will once again go to the embed platform. You know that this is an online platform. There is also offline version is also available there, where you have to download the embed. But right now we will perform everything in the online version only, so that we can easily work with all the libraries. Otherwise we have to install those libraries. Okay, so here I will create a new program. Okay, so this is the embed compiler I have done there. Okay, before that, you know that this is the okay, what is the embed platform we are having? We have selected the embed platform as LPC 1768. Okay, here you can see this is the embed platform we have selected. It is embed LPC 1768 IC. Okay, this is the PCB which we are using for LPC 1768. It consisting of these. This is the pin out. If you want to refer it for any connections, you can have this pin out there. Okay, and here are the features for this IC are given. Now we will come back to the again the embed workspace management. Okay, this is the online compiler we are using here. I have opened this compiler in embed platform. Okay, we have used here, you can see here in the embed IDE I am using the compiler there. Okay, so I have opened the compiler and here I am going to create the program. So we can go with new program. Okay, so I have opened a new program, and then it will ask for the what type of the platform. It will show me that LPC 1768. So make sure that this is 1768 is connected there. Then I am using one template there which will already give me one program, and here instead of embed Blinky I will tell it that embed LED program I am using there. Okay, so I have created a new program. When I create a new program, it will open a new folder here. This you can see a new folder present there. Okay, so here I will open it. Rather, this is also shown in the center window that this is embed LED folder is opened there, and here I am having the main file. Okay, so all the programs are having the main file. So here embed LED is consisting of this program. So it has already given me one program. What you can see here is it has included embed header file, where you are having the connections of all the pins present on the board are considered there, or those are actually used, those are present in header file. So you know that header file is giving you the information about the pins, how the pins are used for LPC 1768. Okay, then the second is we are going to use the function digital out. Digital out will make this variable as output pin. Okay, so my LED is the name you have given there. I can use my LED, any name I can give there. Not necessarily that, because this is a simple name we are giving. And then it is connected to LED 1. Now LED1 is referring from embed.h. So from this header file I am taking the LED1. So if you want to know LED1, I will show you it on the pin. So here this is LED1. Okay, this is LED2. Currently the program is running for LED2. This is LED3 and this is LED4. So right now I have connected LED1 as my LED. Okay, so this LED1 is considered as my LED, and this is a simple program which will turn on and off the LED for infinite loop. Okay, so it is continuously turning it on and off. So now we have to compile this program. Okay, so we will go for compiling the program. Now it is compiling it. Okay, it will generate the binary file for the program. Okay, the binary file is shown in the bottom of the window. Okay, so now we will open the folder where my binary file is created. Now the binary file is highlighted here. You can see embed led1.lpc1768.bin. Okay, so this is a binary file created by embed IDE. Okay, now we have to send it to this board. Okay, we have to send it to this board. So what we will do, right click it and send it to the which drive? The drive which is named as embed H. So this embed H is nothing but your LPC1768 board connected to your PC. Okay, so we will send it here. It will either normal copy it or whatever you are having. So I am having Tera copy on my PC, therefore it is using that. So now it has copied it. Okay, so here actually this LED is used for the serial programming there. So whenever your data is coming serially into the board, then this will be flashing. It tells you that your program is downloading. Okay, it tells you that your program is downloading, and after that, to actually check the output of the program, you have to use this reset button. This is the reset button. Okay, so I will press the reset button. Okay, now you can see the variation there. Initially this LED2 was flashing there. Now LED1 is having flashing there. Okay, I will change the contents of the program and we will once again see that. Now instead of having only LED1, we will have it as LED3. Okay, LED3 we will have, and waiting period I will change it from 0.2 to 1 second. Okay, so here I will do some modifications in the program. Okay, and then I will compile it. Okay, so it is successful. It is showing me the success. Okay, if there is any error, it will show you the error. Now it has created another file. I will open that file. Okay, and I will send this file to the board, LPC1768 board. Okay, so when I send it, here the program is downloading here. Okay, and after that I will reset the IC. Okay, now you can see that LED 3 is blinking and with a speed of 1 second. For 1 second it is on and for 1 second it is off. So this is the first practical for the LPC1768, okay, which is used for LED blinking.